Hey everyone, and welcome to Open. I'm Rhina Valentin, your host, Café con Leche, for the next hour, inviting you to get social with us online. That is, tweet us and follow us on Instagram at BronxNet TV and like us on Facebook at Open BronxNet Television. And of course, while you're there, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, FB, Instagram, Insta Stories, and LinkedIn at Rhina Valentin. So our first guest has built a career in lighting design with credits in New York, her native Puerto Rico, major cities in the US, Bolivia, Colombia, Mexico, and the Dominican Republic. She's also the founder and executive artistic director of Boundless Theater Company, a designer-led organization spearheaded by women Latinx theater makers. She joins us today to talk about Boundless Exposed, a theater production workshop and mentoring opportunity for early career theater designers of color. Everyone, please welcome to the show, Maria Cristina Fusté. Hello and welcome.
Hello, thank you so much for having me here.
Well, welcome back, right? Because you guys have a lot going on over there at Boundless Theater, and it's wonderful to be able to share with our viewers. And this is an absolutely super exciting program. So I'm excited to share with our viewers. This is how many years in the making now?
Oh, wow. We started in 2009 with this program. And it's true, for us, it's one of the most exciting programs because we get to foster, new, usually young, but early career designers of color that are just eager to be working and probably don't have the same opportunities that other people do in the workforce out there. So it's very exciting. I just love getting all those applications and listening to what people need and in their, development as designers. It's exciting.
It is exciting. It's exciting because coming from a theater background, I think most people always are interested in performing, right? And then once you're in there and you start realizing that there's all these other components that are part of the magic making. And so I've experienced various performances and presentations by Boundless Theater, and I know you guys are like top notch in everything you execute. And so it's lovely that you're offering this program that is offering this skill set and this development in the other areas of theater. So let's talk about the levels that people need to be on in order to apply.
Yes. Well, it has to be people that are already in the designers field, mainly students that are in undergrad or just graduated or starting their MFA in design, people that already have tools there, right, in the design aspects of theater. We usually hire a costume designer, a set designer, and a lighting designer. We have a mentor for each discipline. And then we also have a playwright that it's going to be writing a play as we go along in the process. So whoever applies needs to be in their early career, just starting, but already knows what design is about and has some of the skills.
Okay, and so again, those are the three areas that you're actually looking to develop these individuals in. And so what does that timeline look like, and what does the application process look like?
Yeah, the application process, you go to our website, boundlesstheater.org, and you can download the application there. You need to fill it out and then submit a letter of recommendation from anyone that has seen your work before. And also you need to write us a letter describing why you think this program is good for you and why is it important for you to be part of this mentoring program. And then just submit it, and we are going to have an interview process where we talk to all the participants, to all of them, and then we decide very shortly, and we start the program immediately in February.
And so how long is the program? Like what kind of time commitment is that?
Yes, we are going to meet every Monday, weekly, let's say, starting February 22nd. And the final presentation is April 29th. So the program consists of 10 meetings where the designers are going to develop an installation. That's the final, the final project. But they, through research, and also we take into account whatever they want to say or feel like it's important for them to say. And based on that, they do research, we meet, we get together, and they decide as a group what is it that they want to present. And together with the playwright, they develop a script, which is super exciting because it's very unique, it's very special to their needs and their wants, right? And then at the end, they also participate of the rehearsal process. So it's it's a collaboration. It's not just a director saying, I have to do this and that. No, they also participate of the directing and forming of the whole thing, right? And then at the end, we present it to an audience free of charge. And after the performance, there's a talk back. And we also create a video showing their process throughout the 3 months. And it turns out to be amazing. People love it. They want to learn more about them. And most of them, they just go out there and start working as assistants to all of us or other designers, and we're able to recommend them. So I think it's a very important opportunity. It's a small program in a way because it's only 3 of them, but I feel that it makes a big impact in their professional lives as Latinx designers.
Absolutely, especially when you're able to get that intimate attention, right? That and have it customized to your vision. That's amazing. And to top it off, they it's like a paid internship, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. They will receive $100 as a stipend for their time. And definitely that helps. Each year we try to increase it and get more grants. And we do invest in materials for the sets, for the costumes. We have support. Previous participants work as crew members. It's a beautiful project. And I feel that we have the support to give them, the tools to create an amazing, final presentation for everyone.
Well, we certainly are aware of your efforts and your commitment to all different generational theater professionals, because I know my daughter comes under Boundless Theater, and that's the younger version of El Barrio Raíces. So it's just wonderful to see that you have all the different age levels and also the different aspects of what it takes to mount a theater production. And thank you for bringing it to our viewers, Maria Cristina.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And remember, if any of you are interested in applying, you need to go to boundlesstheater.org, and the application is there. You'll see more information, photos, etc.
Wonderful. And you guys, once again, if you are an early designer in the tri-state area, submission deadline for Boundless Exposed application is February 6, 2022. And for more, you can visit boundlesstheater.org, or you can also check them out on social media at Boundless Theater. We do have to take a quick break, but when we return, we'll hear about the new trending spot, a late night vegan joint that you don't want to miss. Don't go anywhere.